What's up, guys? Today we're going to be playing Teardown. So yeah, let's go and hop right into this. So make sure you guys like and subscribe and click the link in the description for some merchandise. So, yeah. So in today's video, we're going to be doing something crazy. Something unimaginable. Something, yeah. So, let's just go and hop right into this. So, if you guys want to see more like this content, click the like and subscribe button and go shop our brand new merchandise. And, just, for the funsies, join the Legendary Squad. Well, not for the funsies. Literally good. Well, you don't have to. But you know what I'm saying? Alright, I'm trying to get over here, because I legitimately cannot see anything right now. Alright, get to the thing. I can't see! Ah, right here. Alrighty, let me shorten that out, and then, bam. Okay, I just built so much land. I don't need. Oh crap! I just realized this stuff is made out of the weakest material in the game. So I'm hoping when I spawn the thing I want to do, it's not just gonna fall right through it. Flip. Oh god, it's gonna fall right through it. Oof, that's bad. All right. Let's just hope that doesn't happen. Like, look at this. Oh, never mind. It actually worked. All right. Let's hope this works, guys. This is the shell of what I'm gonna be finding today. It's flipping massive. Look at this thing, bro. And I'm gonna be spawning. You just look. Holy Jesus. All right. I'm gonna hope that this actually fits. So you know that mission that you have to do and that like says, hey, you gotta break this building, but you can't spawn any fires. Well, we're gonna be oh shoot, did it already break? No, okay, we're good. Whoa, let's just shoot the flipping cannon, bro. Come on. Wait, did I miss? It missed! Bruh. Can I break that right there so it goes a little lower? I didn't mean to do that. No. Can I not? Really? Well, flip. Dang it, that's as low as it can go? Bro, all of it's made out of the wait, I don't think it's not gonna do it. It's not gonna do it. Please! Well, it worked, right? Aw, flipping biscuits! That's not how I really thought of it to go. Well, dang it. Well, I wanted it to do a better job, but oh my gosh, look at the heat! Alright, let's see the damage. Oh yeah, it's completely destroyed. Dang it, bro! I didn't want it to just do that. Like, I didn't actually. Oh no, Are you flipping kidding me? Alright, let's actually get a stronger material this time, so it just doesn't absolutely flipping go right through it, so I don't have to worry. Let's definitely change our palette to metal. I wonder what is the strongest one. Because we had it on wood. Wood, I mean, it's strong, but it's not that strong. What is plaster? Maybe plaster will work. Whatever. Let's just spawn metal. So let me go into the creative mode. Let me change the palette to metal. And now we are good to go. Oh, that's the wrong one. It has to be box. And then we're just gonna do this. So now I just wait. Ooh, maybe we should do it lower. Way. Oh my gosh, that's lagging my game on so many levels. Dang it. Erase? Oh, crap. Why a Q and Z? Okay, that's not how I wanted it to go. Oh, come on, man. I didn't mean to do that. Press button. Huh? Oh, God, I gotta restart the entire game now. Flipping biscuits! Can I just do what I want to do in the video? Alright, creative mode. Let me change this to line, and then I'm gonna put it like right about there, because that's where the water like comes. Now let me change my palette to metal. And let's go. Oh yeah, that looks so much better. Also, I cannot see a thing. Alright, there we go. Bro, we are so slow, bro. Dude, we're like going 2 miles per hour right now. What the heck, man? Alright. We just gotta go right there and stop. Ah, nice. Alrighty. Let's just hope it works. Flip. Alright. Oh, God. Oh, yeah, that's indestructible like that. Look at that. Alright. It's time to spawn the P1500 monster. I don't actually know how to say it, because I really don't know if that's how you actually say it. But, whatever. Spawn that bad boy right there. Oh my gosh, bro, my game lags whenever I spawn this thing in. And it's still not gonna fit, bro. Oh, whoa, that is glitching like crazy. Okay, I have no idea how I'm gonna do this. So I have to make this small enough. Ah, bro! I'm lagging like crazy. Dude, what is going on? Whenever I click S, it just goes to it. What the heck? What? Hold up. Creative mode. Palette. Shortcut. Oh, I'm so dumb. Let's just do... What do I do? F12. How about that? I really hope that works. Okay, exit. Get me out of here. Okay. Now I'm just gonna... Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. So now I can't move. What the heck? Bro, I legit cannot move right now. What the heck? Okay, we're good. Alright, oh gosh, I really hope this works. P&L, we're gonna change the explosion to the lowest possible. Okay, 0.5. And I'm gonna place it right there and there. Dude, what the flip? It's still us. What the heck? I don't want the shortcut, bro. Shortcut. F12. Does that not work? Okay, it's good. Oh my gosh, F12 takes a screenshot! What am I supposed to put it at then? Oh, flipping biscuits. F11? Okay, F11 doesn't do anything. Okay, we're good. Alright, now let's just explode it. Okay, please. Yes! Yes! Okay, it was small enough. Right there. Explode. It works. It works! It's... Oh no, 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 no. Okay, oh, flipping biscuits and cheese. Oh no, 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 no. Okay, place more C4, more C4. Ow. Okay, just go down. Go down now. It's floating in the air. Oh, never mind. Oh, are you flipping kidding me? Well, I'm gonna have to place a C4 and get the heck out of here. Okay, now you. Dude, why are so many things holding this flipping cannon up? Please. Oh my god, it's gonna work! No! Fire! Okay, that was sick. Hold up. I gotta re-aim it. I gotta re-aim. Okay, hold up. I can see where it's gonna hit. So if I aim it right there, come on, man. Oh! Oh, it's too high. Why are you too high? What? What happened? Oh, no. Bro, it's floating in the flipping air, bro. Okay, hold up. Nope, that's it. Nope. Bro, I'm putting wrong bases on the front of this thing. Are you kidding me? Wait, hold on. I wonder if I can see the bullet. No, I couldn't see it. Dang it, bro! I did all of that just for it to miss? Like, nothing's holding on to it. It's just staying, bro. Oh my god. Well, it was cool. Well, anyways, guys, that's gonna be the end for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. That's all from me, and I am out. Peace.